Hi guys, I have an updated version on an old school classic, cucumber salad. I'm going to be using avocado lime ranch dressing by Chic Fil A. There's several brands out there, find your favorite. The original recipe calls for 2 strips of turkey bacon. I had 5 left of pork bacon and they were on their last leg, meaning I didn't want to keep them for another week, so I'm going to go ahead and use all 5. You need some salad supreme dressing, salad seasoning, black pepper, a pinch of Old Bay. You need a quarter of a cup of any kind of cheese you like. I'm using cheddar, and I'm using 2 English or hothouse peppers because they don't have any seeds in them. Now, it normally requires, for a full recipe, I'm going to go ahead and make a full recipe for you guys. And it's a pinch of black pepper, a sprinkle of Old Bay, and a dash of salad supreme. And then 2 tablespoons of avocado lime ranch dressing. I'll probably use a little more. Crumble up the bacon, stir it together, and it's all set. It'll keep for 3 to 4 days in the refrigerator. Welcome to my channel. I'm Jennifer. So glad you're here. Let me go ahead and get everything set up. Let's get cooking. Okay guys, so I've got my cucumbers washed. I'm going to cut off the tips. I think it's really rude when restaurants serve this part of the vegetable. It's like you're so cheap, you're trying to stretch it. But if you don't mind using that part, go right ahead. And this is very simple. Like I said, I've already washed them and dried them. You cut these into bite-sized pieces. And this is the full recipe. I'm going to also share this with a friend. Those of you that know me, welcome back. You know I don't like to cook, but I love to eat. And most of these meals my husband will not eat. So this is another one I'm going to share with a co-worker. I always tell them what I'm going to cook, and then they tell me to bring it in. They'll share it with their husband, their boyfriends, or sometimes just eat it themselves. And like I said, they're English cucumbers. They all have seeds, but these are considered seedless cucumbers. So I'm just cutting them into bite-sized pieces. And like I said, I grew up eating cucumber salad. It's an old 70s staple. You just put vinegar and salt and pepper on there. And a lot of people just use a Thousand Island dressing. I'm going to cut some of these in half again because they're kind of big for me. I think it looks better if they're cut again. So I'm going to cut these one more time. Oops. And yeah, this is good in the refrigerator for 3 days. And according to the recipe, serve immediately. My cucumbers are cold, but I like my dressings and everything to marinate for a while. So that's why I'm going to put this in the refrigerator and take it to work tomorrow. I'm just cutting these cucumbers up into about 1/4 of an inch slices. And you need 1/4 of a cup of American shredded cheese, whatever cheese you like. The recipe calls for sharp cheddar, and that's what I have. I'm using the last of everything that I have. That's why I'm definitely dying to make this recipe, because I wanted to use up a lot of the foods that I have. Since I don't cook very often, I like to keep my foods fresh. So I have to use them up quite frequently. In different meals, I try and repurpose, find another dish that I can use the same ingredients and not have to waste anything. So that's quite a bit here. I'm going to put these again. I'm going to go ahead and put these inside the bowl. Now the recipe only calls for 2 tablespoons of the avocado lime ranch dressing. I'm going to use probably more than that because I like my stuff heavily dressed. I'm one of those people, I like salad with my dressing. So if you want to stick to the recipe, use 2 tablespoons. I'm just cutting these again, and I think I'm gonna just not use the other half of this. So, whoops, like I said, it asks for a pinch of Old Bay, so I guess you'll call that a pinch, and then a sprinkle of salad seasoning, and then you crunch up 2 slices of turkey bacon. I'm using pork bacon, and then 1/4 of a cup of cheese. So it comes together really quick, and I think this would be excellent for barbecues or cookouts. My girlfriend who turned me on this recipe, Libby, shout out to her. She says she served it with chicken wings for her husband. Not that it's a big disclaimer. He's like myself, he'll eat just about anything, so I can't really say a whole lot about that. He and I are not picky at all. So we'll start with the recommended amount of 2 tablespoons and mix this together. And this got rave reviews, so I had to give it a try. for my girlfriend, who's my taste tester. And yeah, like I said, I don't see how 2 tablespoons could be enough for 2 pieces of cucumber, 2 large cucumbers. Maybe they didn't use large, it's just the 2 seedless cucumbers. I'm gonna mix this all together. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I upload 2 videos a week. I always include an inspirational quote and tell a controversial joke. So hit that subscribe button and the notification button so you won't miss any of my videos. I like to try and keep them simple, and like I said, I like to upgrade old school stuff and put a new twist on things you've probably heard of but just haven't had in a while because you're bored with it or didn't like it in the first place. I'd like you to give my recipes a try. So okay, I'm gonna get this set up, turn the camera around, and get ready to tell you guys my joke. 2 good old boys, Bubba and Junior, got promoted from privates to sergeant. Not long after that, out for a walk, and Bubba says, "Hey Junior, there's an NCO club. Let's stop in and have us a drink." NCO, you guys, I'm a veteran, United States Air Force. NCO means non-commissioned officers. He says, "But we are privates," protests Junior. "No, we sergeants now," says Bubba, pulling him aside. "Now, Junior, I'm going to sit down and have me a drink." "But we privates," says Junior. "You bling boy," says Bubba, pointing to our stripes. We sergeants now." They order their drinks, and pretty soon a hooker comes up to Bubba. "You're cute," she says, "and I'd like to take you someplace and make you feel good. But I've had a bad case of gonorrhea." Bubba pulls his friend to the side and whispers, "Junior, go look in the dictionary and see what gonorrhea means. If it's good, give me a thumbs up, okay?" Junior goes to look it up, comes back and gives Bubba the big okay sign. 3 weeks later, Bubba lands up in the infirmary with a terrible case of gonorrhea. "Junior," he said, "why did you give me the okay for oh well?" Bubba said, "In the dictionary it says gonorrhea only affects the privates." Then he pointed to the stripes and says, "But we sergeants now." Oh Lord. But anyway, that's my joke. No offense to military people, because like I said, I am a veteran. NCO is a non-commissioned officer. I went in as a 2nd lieutenant. I went in after college, so no disregard for anybody. My special thanks and warm regards to anybody that dedicates their life to the military to sacrifice themselves for our country. I want to thank you guys for watching. God bless, and please come back for the next one. This salad is so good. It's a big upgrade from the old school vinegar or Italian dressing to marinate overnight. And I see why my girlfriend served it with chicken wings. It will go perfect with any protein you have: chicken, fish, pork chops, whatever you decide, ribs. So give it a try. I think your guests will love it. Hope to see you on the next one. God bless.